guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Clarrisa Putri Chandika and you can call me Riris. Here I want to tell you about my procedure text with the goals how to make small cupboards. The first, prepare the tools and materials. The tool is glue gun, brush, pen, cutter, scissor, tip, and ruler. The material is glue, paint wet, blue and pink, plastic mica, glitters, and accessories. This is already how find it because it takes a long time and a little tricky to make. The back side of the cupboard into 50 x 48 centimeter. The side of the cupboard into 50 x 13 centimeter into 2. This is and this is. And upper part of cupboard and under part into 13 times 48 centimeter. The door of cupboard right and left into 50 x 16 centimeter and give hole to become loaf and give tip in the side. And also for the middle of cupboard, the content is drawer. Size drawer is 12 times 15 centimeter. And the borders of cupboard into 50 times 13 centimeter into 2. This is and then and other with length 16 centimeter. Okay. The borders of content cupboard into 16 times 13 centimeter into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And other with glue gun and give tip on the side. Okay. After part cupboard, find a seat. Next, give white background of cupboard. White background. Paint with flat.